In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete customer in KashFlow account. If you've added a customer by mistake or no longer need them in your records, KashFlow makes it straightforward to remove them. The key thing to remember is that you can only delete a customer if there are no linked transactions such as invoices, quotes, payments, or credits. I'll walk you through the process and share a safer alternative if you want to keep historical data. Start by signing in to your KashFlow account. Head to the website, click Login in the top right corner, and enter your credentials to reach the dashboard. Once you're in, look to the left-hand menu and open the Customers section. This is where you'll see your full customer list. Use the search bar to quickly locate the customer you want to remove, especially if you manage a large database. Before you delete anything, check for linked transactions. Open the customer and review whether there are any outstanding invoices, saved quotes, or estimates or payments and credits tied to that customer. KashFlow will block deletion if any of these exist, so you'll need to remove, settle, or reassign those entries first. If you want to preserve the history without keeping the customer active, consider archiving instead, which I'll cover in a moment. Once you've confirmed there are no linked transactions, open the customer's profile. In the top right corner, choose Delete Customer, then confirm when prompted. Select Yes, Delete to complete the action. This permanently removes the customer from your account, so only proceed when you're sure the record is no longer needed. If you prefer to retain the information for future reference, archiving is a great option. From the same customer profile, choose Archive Customer instead of deleting. The customer will disappear from your active lists but remain stored in your database, which is helpful for reporting, audits, or tax reviews. Archive customers can be restored later if needed, giving you flexibility without cluttering your active workspace. A quick note on rules. Customers with invoices cannot be deleted until those invoices are removed or reassigned.